The number one question that many creators ask is, how do I get more views? How do I get more subscribers? Those that are making money, they will want to know, how do I make more money? Because I'm trying to create financial security and financial freedom in my life. And the only answer and the only secret to these two questions is adding value to people. When you add value to people, people are willing to listen and also trade with their attention to you, because this is where you build trust. The things that you say on your videos that are adding value to their lives, they will keep coming back for more and more. Those that are going to discover you for the first time are the ones that are going to say, I like what this person is saying, but let me see more of their content before I can make the decision to subscribe and become a loyal community member of their content or channel or page or whatever it is that you are doing, whether you are doing with your website or on YouTube, on TikTok or Instagram, whatever the case might be. It is all about value. If you can understand that one secret, you are going to be successful as a content creator or as a person that is busy building their wealth. So same goes when making money. When you want to make money and also work towards your financial security and freedom, you need to add value. People are forever searching for value. People are forever searching for something that's going to make sense to them and also applicable. It needs to be applicable. So, for example, somebody watches my YouTube video and then they gain some sort of value. Within 24 hours, if they have not implemented what they heard from me, that means they did not get any value. Yes, they may have thought, this is a very interesting video, but did they get the value out of this so that they can trade that with me by viewing more of my content coming up in the future? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Now, there is a lot of stuff going on right now in the world, especially in the economy. The economy is not doing well. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. And guess what? People are searching for ideas to make money. And my value proposition on this channel is to say, hey, there is YouTube. Take YouTube as one of the methods or one of the ways that are going to make you an income, because when you set up a YouTube channel, you are also opening doors of opportunities on the side, like sponsorships, brand deals, and even job offers that you are going to get simply because YouTube, as you do it, you gain sets of skills such as like what I'm doing right now. I am talking in front of a camera and I'm showing off my personality, probably even showing off my abilities with my brain, that I can memorize a script or I can actually make sense in front of a camera. And somebody out there in the entertainment world, and they are probably looking for a TV presenter or some kind of a presenter, and they see me, guess what? That door of opportunity may open for me. Or because I do YouTube education or social media education, some company out there, and a big company that wants its presence on social media, they might say, hey, listen, please give us your rate card or give us your proposal. We would like to work with you so that you can help us with our presence on online, on social media, or whatever the case might be. And I can sit down and work out the strategy and charge them tens of thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. And I've seen other content creators who do exactly this as social media strategists, charging conglomerates millions of dollars. So these are the things that add value. This is valuable content that people can take and put into practice, and at the same time it also uplifts you. Also, with other doors of opportunity is when you have a business of some sort and you do talk about your business, don't over advertise it, just talk about it. Like I do have a print on demand store, and you can find my design or t-shirt design, or you can send me your own designs that I can download and create a t-shirt for you or a mug or a key holder or whatever the case might be, and you charge a fee. And as a result of that, you make extra money outside of Google AdSense. And if you are in the financial space, you can actually coach people about financial security, financial, like saving money, or how to use the little that you have and create something that is going to bring you in more money, like digital products or online coaching or online tutoring, depending on your experiences as well as your expertise that can make you money. Again, all of this value proposition is packed in there. And that's exactly what people are searching for. That's exactly what will make your YouTube channel grow, or your TikTok page to grow, or your Instagram or Facebook, is the value proposition. If you do not have value and you're just blowing in the wind, then you are going to, I don't know, nothing's going to happen, because nobody's finding any value in that. Same goes with entertainment. With entertainment, what is the value proposition there? You remove boredom. You remove the boredom out of a person. When it comes to education, what's the value proposition there? You are solving a problem. Somebody is going through something that they don't understand, or they don't have the guidance to solve. Then you come along, they watch your video, get the idea on how to solve the problem. That's the value that you have brought in. As a result, you the one that gets to walk away with views and subscribers, money, you name it, including fame in some instances as well. So think about it. Think about, how do I add value with what I am doing the moment I set up my camera and I press the record button? If you do not know what the value proposition you have for yourself, then you need to rethink your strategy and find the value proposition for your clients or for your viewers and subscribers or whoever else. All right. And that, I would leave it right here. Goodbye.